This is the first lift at the Gunwharf Quays. In the Gunwharf Quays, the one on by the Spinnaker Tower, by the restaurant there in Portsmouth. It's an Otis 2000. Here it is. I think 2's locked. Yes, 2's locked. Go up to 1. Door close button does work like that. Capacity 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 2000. Here we are at 1. Go back down to G. It's a nice lift. Here we are at G. See, it's got a code for the level 2. This is the lift at Gunwharf Quays shopping outlet in Portsmouth. Go down to car park level. Door close button does work like that. This one's an Otis 2000H. Capacity 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 2000. And the other one we just did was also in Gunwharf Quays in Portsmouth. This is in Portsmouth, Gunwharf Quays. And they're now maintained by Connexion, who are at UB. It's an Otis 2000H.
Doors opening.
Go back up to G.
Going up.
Door close button does work like that. Quite bouncy going up. Here we are at G.
Doors opening.
The Gunwharf Quays shopping mall in Portsmouth. Go down to G. Door close button does work like that. It's an Otis 2000H. Covered up glass one though. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 2000. Here we are. Here we are at G. And the doors are slow. Go back up to 1. Up we go. It's a slow. Capacity is 8 persons, 680 kilos, built in 2000. It's a glass Otis 2000H, but unfortunately it's covered up. Gunwharf Quays shopping outlet in Portsmouth. It's another Otis 2000. Here it is. I'm going to go up to 1.
Doors
Close button does work like that. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2000. It's got the Otis motor. We're on first floor. Go back down to LB.
Doors opening.
Go down to LB. LB. This is the North lift in
Going down.
Portsmouth.
Doors closing.
This is also an Otis 2000. Capacity 21 persons, 600 kilos, built in 2000. We are at the bottom.
Doors opening.
We go back up to G. Actually, we're going to go back up to UB. We are at UB. This is the lifted. Door close button. Door close button doesn't work like that. Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2000. Here we are.
Doors opening.
Go back up to G. The one up to the cinema at the Gunwharf Quays shopping outlet in Portsmouth. We're going to go up to 1. Door close button does work like that. It's an Otis 2000 lift. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2000. Go back down to G. Oh, you can see through there. Wow, you can see through there. Go up G.